So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in SAMSUNG Galaxy S24 Plus. So the first step, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display. Then you can go to the wallpaper and style. Now you can change the wallpaper here, just tap on the wallpapers and choose your new favorite one. After that, just click on the done and that's it. You can also choose the color palette if you want to change the colors in your system. Now we can go to the widgets. If you want to add any, just look for the app. Expand the app section and choose the widget that you want to add. Hold the finger on it and choose the place on the home screen. You can also change the size of it by swiping the edge of the square. If you want to remove the widget, just hold the finger and choose remove. If you want to add any folder, just hold any app, drop onto another. We have a new folder, we can change the color of it, and we can also add a name. If you want to remove the folder, just hold the finger and choose remove. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.